Hey guys, I got into a fight today and I got hit too many times and they say my face is permanently like this.
Hey guys, how's it going? I just wanted to say hi. And how is your day? I hope it's good because I got big lips and everything. I think it compliments my face. So yeah. Hey guys, I got ran over today and I look like a freaking waffle. Like, what is this? I don't understand. It's weird.
Am I creepy yet? Huh? 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 I think I look awesome. You know that? Awesome!